Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're talking about something everyone struggles with, speaking fluent English.
Yeah, especially Sarah.
Excuse me? I'm improving, okay?
Sure, improving since 2015.
Ugh, stop. That's exactly the problem. I understand English, but when I speak, my brain just freezes.
That's actually super common, but don't worry. We're fixing that today with 5 simple steps.
Only 5? Please don't make it boring.
Relax, no grammar torture today. Step 1. Stop trying to be perfect. First thing, stop trying to be perfect.
Wait, what? That sounds wrong.
I know, right? But think about it. When you speak, you're always thinking, is this correct? Is my grammar okay?
Yes, every single word feels like an exam.
And that's why you don't speak. You're scared of mistakes.
Okay, true.
Here's the secret. Mistakes are part of fluency.
So it's okay if I sound a little weird?
You already do.
Wow, rude.
Step 2. Think in English.
Okay, next step?
Stop translating in your head.
Ugh, I do that all the time.
Exactly. You're like, Urdu, English, speak. That's slow.
Yeah, it takes forever.
Start thinking directly in English.
Like what?
Simple things. I'm tired. I'm hungry. This is boring.
I say this is boring a lot.
Yeah, especially when I talk.
Stop.
Step 3. Speak daily, even alone.
But I don't have anyone to practice with.
You have yourself.
That sounds so sad.
No, seriously, talk to yourself in English.